So I've made it through Anchorage. Yeah, traffic was like Los Angeles in the middle of town, thanks to a bunch of people protesting. Who knows what this time? But yeah, it took almost an hour to get between three different stoplights, which was pretty frustrating. I'm on Turnagain Arm South. I'm gonna go ahead and drive on into Soldotna tonight and get this part of the trip over with for now. Super low tide, it looks like. Not too windy, thankfully. Just topped off fuel, and now I've got a 2.5 hour drive, assuming everything goes well. So, yeah, I wasn't planning on driving south, but after literally taking forever to get through a couple stoplights, I was kind of irritated. So I was like, forget it, I'll just drive down, get this over with, fix it tomorrow, and get back out on the road. So anyhow, appreciate you coming along for this adventure. I'm not sure how many parts this will be yet, but it depends on how long it takes me to edit this. The weather is a lot nicer here than it was this morning when I was in Denali. Oh, and my GPS. Yeah, boy was I wrong. I thought it was 400 miles back to Anchorage from where I was at this morning. It was closer to 600 miles. So yeah, that was a good learning experience. Anyhow, I will sign off here unless the beluga whales are out or something cool on the arm. The silvers are starting to run, silver salmon, so when they tend to run up through the arm here, the belugas tend to follow. So if I see beluga whales, I'll pull over and we'll shoot some video. Not sure if this is going to show or not, but we're going to try. There's a parasailer, whatever they're called. I'm not quite sure on that one, to be honest. I think it's a parasail. Out there shooting across the water. Just enough of a breeze to make him cruise. I have made it back to Soldotna. I'll let you listen out the window here in a second, but as you can see, the sun is out. This is why I call this place paradise. It always seems like it's sunny even when it's raining everywhere else. It's like a donut hole here. You don't have to stop to turn. As soon as I let off any pressure on the gas pedal, that thing starts to squeak something wicked. So yeah, that's been annoying for the last 2 hours. Well, it's been annoying all day, but it's really been annoying the last 2 hours, so I'm just glad I'm within 2 miles of the new one that's sitting in my daughter's garage, which I'll be happy to install tomorrow. Good times. Just gotta make it the last couple miles here and I'm a done deal. Yep, that's what I get for not changing it in the rain the other day. If I'd have done that, it would have I'd still be on the road right now. But minor detour. Take a day, fix that, do some laundry, restock some food, edit some video, you know, just the normal little things. It's going to be nice to not be sitting in this driver's seat after being in it all day. My knee is going to really appreciate getting out of this. But anyhow, appreciate you guys coming along for the adventure, and well, I guess we'll be filming tomorrow another CV joint. Alright, that is the new CV joint in the box, or the new CV axle. We'll swap the whole thing so I don't have to look at that anymore, because that's not very much fun and gives me anxiety and all the good stuff that goes with it, because I don't like listening to that. That makes me want to, or makes me feel like I'm going to be walking, and I don't like walking, especially not when all my stuff's in my van. So on that note, we'll sign off. I'll be at Drew's house here in a second, and we'll call that a trip